Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a poll in Mailerlite, full 2025 guide. Whether you want to get audience feedback, gather opinions, or boost engagement, this process is simple and quick. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a live poll ready to send to your subscribers. So let's dive right in. Access your Mailerlite account. First, open your browser and head over to Mailerlite.com. Click Login and enter your credentials. If you prefer, you can use the Sign in with Google option for a faster login. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Create a new campaign from the dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab at the top, then hit Create Campaign. When prompted for the campaign type, select Regular Campaign. Next, fill in the details. Campaign name. Pick a clear and recognizable name so you can identify it later. Subject line. Write something catchy and informative to grab your audience's attention. This helps increase open rates. Audience. Click to add your recipients. For maximum reach, choose all active subscribers, or select a specific group if needed. Add the poll to your email. Click Next Content to move to the email editor. Inside the content editor, look for the Survey and Quizzes block. This is where the magic happens. So select it to start adding your poll. Choose and customize a template. Mailerlite offers a variety of templates. Browse the options and click Choose on the one that fits your theme or brand. Now, customize it to match your poll's purpose. Edit the text and questions to be clear and engaging. Adjust fonts, colors, and images so the design matches your brand. Keep the layout simple so subscribers can respond quickly. When everything looks perfect, click Done Editing. Send your poll campaign. You're almost there. Double-check your settings, make sure the audience, subject line, and content are all correct. Finally, click Send to launch your email campaign with the poll. Your subscribers will now receive it and can start sharing their opinions right away. And that's it. You've successfully created a poll in Mailerlite for 2025. Use this feature to gather valuable feedback, spark conversations, and build stronger connections with your audience. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.